Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can create a new Apple ID. So first of all, obviously once you are on your main page here, so you can do this on Mac, you can do this on iPad, iPhone, whichever device you wish to use. So first of all, if you're on iPad or iPhone, you need to head over to your settings. If you are on Mac, what we need to do is we go to the top left hand corner here, click on the Apple icon, and now we will need to select system settings. Once we select system settings, as you can see, we will need to click on this sign in option right here. Once you do that, if you already have a Apple ID signed in and you want to create a new one, you will need to sign out of the Apple ID that you're already signed into. But if you haven't got one and you want to create one, just simply click on create Apple ID right here. So click on this, and then what that will do is it will go ahead and load this option up right here. So first of all, you need to enter in your date of birth. So for example, for me, I've now entered in a date of birth. Click on the next button, and then what you need to do now is you simply need to enter in your first name, your email address, and then choose a password. Once you have entered all this information, you can simply click on the next button right down here. So once you have entered in all of this information right here, we can simply click on the next button. Once we click on next, what that will do is it will ask you to enter in a phone number just so that it can verify that you are a real person. So once you have gone ahead and entered in your phone number, simply click on the next button again, and then what that will do is it should send you now a verification code. So once you get that, you can enter it in to this box right here. As you can see, I have now entered in my code, and then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and tick this just to agree to terms and services, and then you can then click on agree in the bottom right hand corner. So once you go ahead and enter in your verification code into these boxes right here, what that will do once you click on next is it will go ahead and create your new Apple ID. So it's just that simple guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.